Are you thinking about selling your home, but you have no clue where to start? Look, I understand. Now, if you guys don't know who I am, my name's Chakits. I specialize in social media marketing. I specialize in sales. This is all I do. If you have a property that you want to sell, it is very important that you actually contact me because I'm going to show you exactly my 21 steps, my proven steps to get your property sold for top dollar. I have testimonies after testimonials. So if you are considering selling your home, you need to give me a call and let me show you my process on how I can get you top dollar and sell your home quicker and faster than any other brokerage out there. All right, see you guys at the closing table. All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another property home tour. This is your first time tuning in. My name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm back out here again to tour this single-story home that features a RV garage by Lennar. So the name of this community is called The Village, Preston at Cadence. Cadence is a mass plan community out here in the city of Henderson. As you can see, we have a park here, and what's cool about this is that we got another park here coming soon for the kids as well. Now, a couple things I've noticed here. We do have a flight path. Majority of your flight path is going to be right here, I noticed, okay? All the people that are coming into Las Vegas, over 42 million people a year coming out here to gamble. Now, if you guys are interested in purchasing a home, right, this is the only channel that is going to be very transparent with you and explain how everything works, because that's how we do business. We've been in business now for 16 years because of transparency. Now, another thing I do want to let you know is that Lennar has a lot of standing inventory homes. So if you want their list of standing inventory homes, this is where you're going to get your best deal, okay? I'm talking about negotiating closing costs, right? The price. What happens if we can negotiate your interest rate to buy down? I mean, there's so much that we can do. There's so much options here. Now, this is the Kennedy model that features a single story that is 2,012 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. But as you can see, we have this large RV garage. What is nice about this is that how many cars you can stack. Now, all the builders except Lennar is building something like this. Now, there's one builder starting to follow suit, which is Pulte. But now, Pulte is going to be about 1.3 million. When you can get into something like this, roughly about 700,000. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, I will have a link in the description below. But if you want the standing inventory list where you're going to get the best deals, okay, I want you to text me Lennar to 702-319-1092. And I will be happy to send you over the standing inventory list. So let's take a look at this. So we have some siding, but as you can see, some of the work here on the siding with the nails is not putty. So that's something that I would pick and definitely point out to make sure that is done. All the eaves look to be fairly well. Here we have our meter, and this is the FlexNet with NV Energy. Basic, what they're doing is taking all our data, right, and they're seeing exactly how much kilowatts we are using a day, the time. This device is so smart, it knows if you are using a blow dryer, it knows if you're using your dryer, it knows if you're using your oven, okay? They are collecting so much data. This is a smart technology. This is pretty cool, actually. And also, this is your main breaker box. I would highly recommend that you do put a lock. Here is for our TV and DMARC, and here's our track system. However, I'm going to have to speed up here now on the video home tour. I wanted to go in detail with this property, but it's just unfortunate because my battery is about to die. So let's take a look at this. We got a courtyard here coming up, and then we also have some pavers. Now also, if you want to schedule an appointment, please let me know. Look how cute this little courtyard is. And we have the French doors. In the front we have a Yale system, and here we also have another track system too as well for your pest control. Now as we come in, completely open floor plan, 12-foot sliders out to the back, 12 by 9. Okay, we have a knockdown texture, 6 inches on the baseboards here, beautiful quartz countertops, undermounted sink. I know this video is going to go pretty fast because camera is about to die. Let's take a look here. Oh, I love the fact that the tile, how it's ran diagonal to give more contrast, which is cool. All blinds are included, 10-foot ceilings here. Now what's nice about this primary is that the bathroom is a little bit unique. It's out in the back here of the headboard. So as we come in, you can see how open this is. Now color combos with the browns, really not feeling it. Here you don't really have a choice with Lennar. They only have a couple color cabinet choices. Love the fact that we got some windows here. I would probably just do the white. Just keep everything all white and clean. We got a thermostat here. Okay. Tons of storage space for sure. Pantry is a little bit small on this one, I'm going to say. But I mean, it's 2,000 square feet. So I don't think these ones are going to be the soft closing cabinets with the dovetails on this. Oh, it is. Okay. A lot of brown on the quartz here, on the veining. You see that? The refrigerator here is tilted a little bit back. It needs to be adjusted. You can do that by a couple screws, drop in this. Remember, you do have a compressor, so that refrigerant in that compressor has to be leveled. Another thermostat here. Then we have our 2 bedrooms with the Jack and Jill. If the video does cut out, that's going to be the end of this video. So I do apologize. Trying to hold on as best as I can. We've got 10-foot ceilings. That's what's great about this. 8-foot doors throughout. They're going to be the 6-panel doors though on this one. Tub shower, fiberglass, pretty much all the same with Lennar. Where the value comes in on this one is the quality and the structurally built and the open floor plan and how large of the home. So most of your money is going into the floor plan. However, if you come back and you add certain things to your home, you can actually do some sort of add value. Also, one thing I want to share with you is that this texture, this is what we call like a knockdown, or it kind of gives you an alligator print. Now, the reason why they normally paint this white is because they can hide some blemishes. So like, let me show you here. Do you see how more thick this is right here on the knockdown? That means that they probably had to cut out this section and redo this section. The problem with texture, once you add the texture down, then if you come back, you want to cut it back up, right? Because you got to get into your walls. It is very hard to match that texture. Laundry room, cabinet options. Can we go outside? No, but take a look at this RV. RV is not included, guys. Very large RV. Then we have the powder for your guests. I mean, this is a cute little home though. Like, if you're downsizing, I mean, this is the perfect size. Especially if you're like snowbird and you are just planning on staying here during the winter times, low maintenance just like this. You have an RV, or if you're into cars, like, yeah, this is definitely the house for you. Let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You don't have a real estate agent, I definitely love the opportunity to earn your business and show you around the Las Vegas Valley and walk you through the process of your build and also find you the best deal as possible. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed, folks.